Hi, it's me again. Today we're going to do skills lesson number 4, okay? And you're going to need some more things like we did yesterday. So whatever you used yesterday, we're going to use all of that. So you need to get your objects. But this time, instead of just 2 objects, you're going to need 3. So get 3 coins or 3 cans or 3 cubes, whatever you may have, you're going to need 3. And I also need for you to get your broken crayon again, okay? Great. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see my PowerPoint. Today we're going to learn how to count sounds again, and today we're going to practice drawing horizontal lines, and we're going to review vertical lines as well. But the new one will be the horizontal line. Okay, so let's start out by practicing to count to 10 using our fingers. Here we go. I want you to do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Great job. I stopped sharing my screen with you. Why did I do that? Silly me. Silly. Let me go back to my share screen. I meant to just change my slide is what I meant to do. Now we're going to play how many noises. So you're going to need your objects. Okay? Now, I would like for you to listen for my noises. Good job. You heard one noise. Notice how I moved one of my objects up on my table. Now let's do it again. So that time I only did 2 noises. And so I should have only moved 2 objects and not 3. My slide was a little wrong, so sorry about that. But we're just going to move on with it. Now, I want you to get your objects and you're going to put them on your table as you hear the noises. So how many objects did you put up there? Should have put 1 because you heard 1 noise. Okay, let's do it again. Take your objects off. Now this time, you should have put 3 objects up there because you heard 3 noises. For each sound you hear, you will place 1 object on the table. Now, we're going to talk about our tripod grip again. So we're going to get our baby sharks. Baby shark, do, 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 do. And you're going to get your broken crayon and put it inside of your baby shark. Okay? The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at our chart paper here. And with your broken crayon, I want you to point to the top of your chart paper. Now I want you to point to the bottom of your chart paper. So we have the top and we have the bottom. Now I want you to point to the left of your chart paper. Now I want you to point to the right of your chart paper. So we have top, bottom, left, right. Now let's point to the middle of your paper. Now I want you to watch as I draw a horizontal line, and I still have my vertical lines on here from yesterday just so I wouldn't have to use a new piece of paper. But a horizontal line is a lot like a vertical line, except it doesn't start at the top and go to the bottom. It starts on the left and goes to the right. So that is called a horizontal line. Now, if you don't already have your paper up like we did the day before, I need you to go ahead and get your paper up now, because I would like for you to practice making some horizontal lines. So you'll start at the left and go to the right. Start at the left, go to the right. Start at the left, go to the right. And those are horizontal lines. Now, I would like for you to practice making some horizontal lines on your paper. Now, let's go back and let's look at the vertical lines. So, with vertical lines, we start at the top and go to the bottom. Start at the top, go to the bottom. Start at the top, go to the bottom. Now, I would like for you to practice some more vertical lines. Great job. You guys have did an awesome job. So you can continue to practice making vertical top to bottom and horizontal left to right. Okay, so for your work today, you are going to get out your skills book, skills book, see, and you are going to turn to 4.2. And on 4.2, you're going to practice drawing some horizontal lines. And once you get those drawn, it will make a ladder for the boy to go up to his playhouse. So you'll start at the left and you will go to the right. And it's the same thing on the back, okay? Now you also have 4.3 to do tonight. And all that is practicing drawing those horizontal lines going from left to right. And you have a front and a back to that. Now, don't forget that when you are drawing those horizontal lines, to use your broken crayon and using your tripod grip. That's so important, using that tripod grip. Okay? Today we have learned how to count sounds, and we've learned how to draw a new line, a new horizontal line, as well as we practice our vertical lines. So I look forward to seeing you on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.